Free education. A complete DAV solution.
Welcome all. Today we will discuss Class 8. Social Science. Geography. Lesson 6. Manufacturing Industries. वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जरूर कर ले और कमेंट में लिखकर जरूर बताएं कि आपको यह वीडियो कैसी लगी। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। Let's start. First we will do something to know. Question A. Take the correct option. 1. The largest industry of India in terms of employment is A. Cotton textile. B. Automobile. C. Iron and steel. D. Information technology. Answer. Information technology. 2. Which one of the following industries helps in the manufacturing of electronic goods? A. Iron and steel. B. Aluminium. C. Chemical. D. Information technology. Answer. D. Information technology. 3. Jamshedpur is known for which type of activities? A. Cultural. B. Administrative. C. Educational. D. Industrial. Answer. Industrial activities. 4. Which industry is known as the backbone of modern civilization? A. Beverage industry. B. Textile industry. C. Cement industry. D. Iron and steel industry. Answer. D. Iron and steel industry. 5. The first modern iron and steel company to be established in India was A. TISCO. B. IISCO. C. Rourkela Steel Plant. D. Bokaro Steel Plant. Answer. A. TISCO. Next question we will discuss here is something to know question. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. The conversion of raw material into more useful products with the help of machines is defined as manufacturing. 2. On the basis of size, manufacturing industry is classified into cottage industry, scale industry and large-scale industry. 3. Industry whose finished products are used as raw material is called as basic industry. 4. Clustering of industries in a particular area is defined as industrial region. 5. Semiconductor chips in a computer which process, store and disseminate information. Next we will discuss question C. Write true or false for the following statements. 1. Manufacturing industries add value to the commodity. True. 2. Bhilai steel plant is located in Madhya Pradesh in India. False. 3. Chotanagpur Plateau region has large concentration of iron and steel industries. True. 4. An industrial laborer earns more than an agricultural labor does. True. 5. The raw materials for the iron and steel industry are iron ore, coking coal and limestone. True. Next we will discuss question D. Answer the following questions in brief. 1. How can we measure the economic development of any country? Explain. Answer. We can measure the economic development of any country with the number of industries located there. 2. What are the bases on which the industries can be classified? Give at least 2 examples for each. Answer. The industries can be classified on the basis of following ways. For example, A. Size. Small scale, large scale. B. Nature of finished products. Basic, consumer. C. Source of raw material. Agro-based, forest-based. D. Ownership. Public sector, private sector. 3. State any 3 non-geographical factors that affect the location of an industry. Answer. 3 non-geographical factors include A. Capital. B. Management. And C. Labor. 4. Name any 5 industrial regions of India. Answer. 5 industrial regions in India are A. Mumbai-Pune region. B. Hooghly region. C. Bengaluru Tamil Nadu region. D. Chotanagpur region. A. Visakhapatnam Guntur region. 5. Differentiate between private sector and public sector. Answer. Public sector, when the ownership and management of an industry is in the hands of the government of its department, it is called public sector industry. Example, Bhilai Steel Plant, Bharat Heavy Electric etc. Private sector. This type of industry is owned and managed by an individual, family or a corporate body. Example: TISCO in Jamshedpur. Reliance in Gujarat. Next question we will going to discuss is question A. Answer the following questions. 1. Why is cotton textile industry largely concentrated in Gujarat and Maharashtra? Explain any 5 reasons. Answer. Cotton textile industries are largely concentrated in Gujarat and Maharashtra because of the following reasons. 1. Availability of raw cotton. 2. Humid climate. 3. Proximity to market. 4. Developed means of transport including accessible port facilities. 5. Availability of cheap labor. 2. State the factors which have helped in the development of IT industry in Bengaluru. Answer. The various factors which have helped in the development of IT industry in Bengaluru are given below. 1. Availability of resource, cost and infrastructure. 2. The city of Bengaluru is known for its mild climate throughout the year. 3. The city was considered dust-free with low rents and low cost of living. 4. The city has the largest and widest availability of skilled managers with work experience. 3. Explain with suitable examples how a basic industry is different from a consumer industry. In your opinion, which one of the two should be given priority and why? Answer. A basic industry is the one whose finished products are used as raw material for other industries. For example, iron and steel industry produces steel which is used in the manufacturing of machine tools. Thus, iron and steel industry becomes a basic industry. Consumer goods industry is one which produces goods for direct use by consumers. For example, edible oil, tea, soap, bread, radio, etc. The basic industry should be given priority because it provides industrial base for the manufacture of many other industrial products. 4. What is the importance of manufacturing industries for a nation like India? Explain. Answer. Industry converts raw material to a much useful finished product, and in this process, it performs multiple tasks. In short, the manufacturing process transforms natural resources into useful and saleable products. It also generates scope for employment and increases national earnings through local and foreign trade. An industrial laborer earns more wages than an agricultural laborer, thus, industries play an important role in making a country economically prosperous. 5. Why is the iron and steel industry considered basic to the industrial development of any country? Name any 4 major iron and steel plants of India and their location. Answer. The iron and steel industry provides industrial base for the manufacture of many other industrial products, and thus, is known as the basic industry. Iron ore occurs in abundance in many parts of the world. It is estimated that 65% machines and utensils are made of steel. The iron and steel industry is widely distributed in the world. In India, major iron and steel plants and its location are Tata Iron and Steel Company at Jamshedpur, in Jharkhand. Indian Iron and Steel Company IISCO at Burnpur, in West Bengal. 3 steel plants in the public sector are at Bhilai in Chhattisgarh, Rourkela in Odisha and Durgapur in West Bengal. These are under the management of Steel Authority of India Limited (SAIL) and undertaking of the Government of India. Next question is value-based question. Make in India is devised to transform India into a global design and manufacturing hub. This initiative will give a boost to entrepreneurship in manufacturing sector to India GDP, gross domestic product. It will also lead to an increase in manufacturing and exports. An increase in investment in manufacturing will increase opportunities for the skilled labor force in this former job market. The Make in India operation is the vision of an economically strong India. 1. India needs both factories and farms. Give arguments to support the statement. Answer. India needs both factories and farms because they move hand in hand. Development and competitiveness of manufacturing factories has helped farmers in increasing their production and made the production process very efficient. For example, the agro-industries have enhanced agriculture by raising its productivity. They depend on the latter for raw material and sell their products like irrigation pumps, fertilizers, pesticide, insecticides, plastic and PVC pipes, agricultural machines and tools, etc. To the farmers. 2. What is your vision of an economically strong India? Answer. Manufacturing helps in transforming raw materials into finished goods as a large scale and thus helps in earning profit as finished goods are costlier than raw materials. The economic strength of India is measured by the development of manufacturing industries in it. Hence, an increase in investment in manufacturing will increase employment opportunities for the skilled labor force and thus creates job opportunities. The Make in India operation is the vision of an economically strong India into a global design and manufacturing hub. That's all for today.